Accurately calibrated meters are a very important factor in getting the right rates for your crop and fertilizer. After watching this video, you will be able to perform a manual meter calibration, perform an automatic meter calibration using ActiveCal, and explain the advantages of the manual calibration and auto calibration. Growers know that meter calibration is key to accurate seed rates. Manual calibrations should be done daily or when you change seed type, lot, or any other type of product. The double chute manifold can easily be switched from the top chute to the bottom chute without the use of tools. Here the operator is switching to the bottom chute by raising the latch pin and rotating it onto the center of the stop bracket. Next, pull the slide until the handle of the slide contacts the stop bracket. Next, pull up the lock pin and push the handle to the right. Now swing the cover plate back from the bottom of all meters. It's important to note that some conditions, such as moisture, can cause buildup of product on the slide, so a good preventative maintenance tip is to cycle the slide daily if leaving product in the tanks. This will prevent the possibility of binding on the slide. To install calibration bags, start by installing the bags to the bag supports. Then install the supports to the bottom of the meters. Also, do not operate blowers while the collection bags are installed on the cart. Now move the meter shutoff handles to the fully lowered position using the actuator switch on the left side of the C850 air cart. Here we are setting up the meter calibration from the cart side display. Meter calibration can be activated from the cart side display or the tractor display. But remember, whichever display you start the calibration with, that is the display you need to finish the calibration on. First, select the meter calibration button. Once we've done that, we hit the next button. Now select the checkbox on the tanks to be calibrated. Now select the start button to initiate the calibration. Now fill the meters, and with the tractor running, hold down the calibration switch until the meters stop turning. Once the meters stop turning, release the calibration switch, remove the bag, and empty the contents. Now reinstall the bag on the bottom of the meter. The meter is now full, primed, and ready for calibration. Now weigh the collection bag for each tank and enter the value in the corresponding tank box on the display. Once this is done for each selected tank, tap the next button. Now the meter displacement value, or MDV, will appear above the input box. In order to save these MDV values, select the checkbox for each desired tank and hit Accept. MDV is automatically transferred to the tractor display and can be verified by going to Meter Setup screen and selecting the Setup tab. Select the tank from the drop-down menu to verify the MDV values match. John Deere ActiveCal is a new feature that allows growers to actively calibrate the meter displacement value during the seeding operation in the field. ActiveCal can calculate a new MDV based on tank target rate and changes in the tank weight. A couple important points to using ActiveCal. 1. It's best to perform ActiveCal when the tanks are half full or more. And 2. ActiveCal requires 1% of the current product weight to be dispersed to complete a calibration. In order to perform an ActiveCal, bring the cart to a complete stop on level ground and make sure the meters are enabled. Now select the ActiveCal soft key on the main run page. Next, select the Continue button and check the box for each tank being calibrated. Now select the Calibration button to begin the ActiveCal. Now begin seeding. Note that running small application rates may require a larger area to seed in order to complete the calibration. Once these amounts have been met, the screen will display the calibration is complete. Stop the cart on level ground and press OK. Select the checkbox for each tank and press Accept to save. Again, MDV can be verified on the Meter Setup tab. John Deere ActiveCal is a real time saver, allowing operators the flexibility to calculate MDV on the go during seeding with great accuracy. But in order to achieve the best accuracy for meter calibration, manual calibration is the way to go. ActiveCal should not be used as a replacement for manual meter calibration, but a great available tool to use during operation. You can see there are two different ways to calibrate the meters on the C850. Whichever method you choose, be sure to calibrate as needed to make sure you are applying the correct rates. Now you are able to perform a manual meter calibration, perform an automatic meter calibration using ActiveCal, and explain the advantages of a manual calibration and auto calibration.